Anet A6 High Precision Big Size Desktop 3D Printer Kits Prusa i3 DIY Self-Assembly LCD Screen. The Anet A6 is an improved model of the Anet A8. Major improvements in the frame and user interface of the printer as with the A8, the A6 is built intuitively with a hassle-free user interface. An Anet A6 High Precision Big Size Desktop 3D Printer is very useful for printing things like household items, for example, replacement of handles to educational piles. Anet A6 has a dial control unlike the buttons for menu navigation which was in Anet A8. Anet A6 comes unassembled but it has manual guide and video that instructs assembly steps. It is easy to understand and operate. The Z-axis motors and extruder comes assembled. There are many other tutorial videos available on the internet to get enough information regarding its assemble, and that is really not a problem.